That's a 6mm drill bit for wood. That's also a 6mm drill bit for wood. The difference is the length. It's more than twice as long, almost 3 times as long. This has a shorter side here, that has a longer one. Here we can see even a center element. That one does not have one. This has a thread on the tip. The other one does not have it. This is cylindrical at the end. This is hexagonal at the end. Evo tools 6mm. Also 6mm. Short and long drill bit for wood. And why do you need a long one? Because this is not long enough. Whereas that is even way too long. But at least it's entering into that one also. That's 8 centimeters. Around that much, if it enters, it's okay. Of course, it's not too easy to center it. It's wobbling a little bit.